Hi, my name is Devinder Singh and that's Harry, Harminder Singh, owner of Tattoo Villa. As you see, tattoos started off in India only. If we go into the ancient time, tattoos, however, they started off from India. But however, when they went out of India, people with the good machinery, they evolved it. They came up with some good ideas and how to work more on the tattoos. But as if now, if we see in the contemporary world, tattoos are now like more passionate in India as well. If we compare the India and the rest of the world, tattoos are more in India as well, as you can see. The craze of the tattoos in the youth is very much right now. Well, if we see basically in the youth, people are like more often they copy. Like if my friend is getting a tattoo done, so even I feel that even I should get a tattoo done. It doesn't matter what it means to me or not. But that's how it involves the craze in it. But some people they have the meaningful tattoos as well. They bring up the tattoos which have the meaning. Like you can say tattoos related to their friends, their family, their past, related to something they love. The tattoo, the craze of the tattoo, that's how it's evolved. As you can they copy their friends and for the love of their tattoos. Well, I can say, basically the tattoos are more, youth is more crazy about the tattoos these days. They just want to get tattooed themselves, but I can say that there's a particular age for the tattoos. I mean, it's the love for the tattoos, the passion for the tattoos that's why the people get tattooed on their body, man. It's a permanent thing. People get connected by it. You can say people get connected by the tattoos when they get tattooed themselves for a particular thing. Like for example, if a child is getting tattooed of a mother or a father, so that's how he connects himself by the tattoo. And yes, a particular age, if you talk about youths are very much crazy about the tattoos these days, as they just want to get themselves tattooed by watching their friends and just copying them. Well, I agree to both the statements. It's a style statement plus the connection to a tattoo as well. Well, style statement, as I've already said before, that they think that it is a style statement for them. They can flaunt the tattoos, and by watching their friends, they get themselves tattooed. And as a connection, it is a connection to a tattoo as well. If a person is getting tattooed somewhere belonging to his family or someone he loves a lot, if a person has got a tattoo done, I think he should take care of that. Like person, this is a permanent tattoo, so people want the tattoo to live long. So if you're getting a tattoo done, I think you should not stretch that particular skin more and not flex it. If you do that, it will be harm for your tattoo. So do not stretch, do not flex more. And other than that, you can use the ointments that come for the tattoo. Thrice a day you can use the ointments, and for a month or two, so that would be a really good health advice for the tattoo and for the skin as well. Other than that, one should not rub the skin on the tattoo. He should tap it rather than the rubbing thing. So that is also much more helping the tattoo. Other than that, if you are done with the ointment, you can use particularly for months you can use olive oil. You can use olive oil for the tattoo, so that can help your tattoos to live long.